solve the equation 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1 is equal to 3/4. To solve a rational equation like this, the first step is to find the LCD and multiply through the entire equation by that LCD. So if we look at our denominators, we have a factor of x minus 1, a factor of x plus 1, and a factor of 4. So then my LCD is just their product, x minus 1, x plus 1 by 4. So I'm going to multiply each term by that LCD. So x minus 1, x plus 1 by 4, x minus 1, x plus 1 by 4, x minus 1, x plus 1 by 4. And now, nice things happen. In the first term, the x minus 1's reduce, leaving x plus 1 by 4 by 1 from the numerator. In the second term, the x plus 1's reduce, leaving x minus 1 by 4 by 1, again from the numerator. On the right-hand side, the 4's reduce, leaving 3 by x minus 1 by x plus 1. So we've gotten rid of all of the rational parts of the function. Now all we need to do is turn this into a cleaner form and go from there. So x plus 1 times 4 times 1, well 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times x plus 1 is 4x plus 4, plus 4 times 1 is 4 times x minus 1 is 4x minus 4. Right-hand side, what I would do first is I would take the x minus 1 by x plus 1, and that's an x squared minus 1, and then distribute the 3, so that's a 3x squared minus 3. Cleaning this up a little further, I have 8x on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, I have 3x squared minus 3. Getting this to 0, I would have 0 equals 3x squared minus 8x minus 3. So now I see that this factors, or you could use the quadratic formula at this point. Just for practice, let's use the quadratic formula. So x would equal the opposite of b, so that's 8, plus or minus the square root. Negative 8 squared is 64, minus 4 times 3 times negative 3, over 2 times a, so that's a 6 in the denominator. So that's 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 plus 36 over 6. So x equals 8 plus or minus the square root of 100 over 6. So x equals 8 plus or minus 10 over 6. So our first solution, I always do the subtraction first. 8 minus 10 is negative 2 over 6. So x1 is negative 1/3. And our second solution, the addition, 8 plus 10 is 18 over 6. So x2 equals 3. All right, and we always check back to the original equation. Remember that the denominators were x minus 1, x plus 1, and 4. So you want to check your solutions and see if you had to substitute back into the original equation, would that give you a 0 in the denominator? And so we would see, well, if x was 1, that would give me a 0 in the denominator. If x was negative 1, that would give me a 0 in the denominator. And neither of those occurred as solutions, so we can be confident that our two solutions are both valid.